It's Mr. Baxter. It's time for more fun with physics. We've been talking about mechanical advantage and doing some problems in class, along with work, power, energy, mass, weight, and gravity, and all of that's going to culminate on your final assignment. And I'm going to show you how to work through it right now. So before we get started, let's just make sure that we need to understand that no machine is 100% efficient. Be nice if they were, but they just aren't. Okay? IMA, which is ideal mechanical advantage, will always be bigger than actual mechanical advantage because actual mechanical advantage accounts for friction. Okay? And there's friction all around us. Every time we walk across the floor, we generate friction. Okay. So when we look at this simple lever here, we're only going to be focusing on a few little things in this question, and we're going to move to a bigger question later. But in this example, I want to find my IMA, my AMA, and my percent efficiency, which we're going to be told in a sec. So let's start this off. IMA is equal to the distance of the effort divided by the distance of the resistance or output. So this could also be called in, and this one could be called out. In this case, our DE is 15 meters. So this is distance effort, and this is distance resistance, or out. So this is in, and this is out. Okay? And that's going to be 3 meters. So we're dividing. So IMA is going to equal 5. Why? The meter signs cancel each other out. 3 goes into itself once, goes into 15 5 times, 5 over 1, or 5. Okay, that was pretty simple, right? You've already done some worksheets that show you that. All right? Now, when we look at our equation for percent efficient, because we've been asked to find the percentage of efficiency, is equal to your actual mechanical advantage divided by your ideal mechanical advantage times 100. Do I have enough information on this page anywhere to actually solve this? And the answer to that is no. We don't have our actual mechanical advantage, and we don't have our percentage efficiency, nor do we have any of the forces being applied to this. We just have very few numbers. So we have to be given some more information to do this. So I'm going to give you that right now. Our percent efficiency, we're going to say, is 80%. Okay? So another way to write this is to say 80% equals AMA divided by 5. We got our 5 right here. Times 100. Okay, that's not going to work for us because we're trying to find our actual mechanical advantage. The first thing we want to get rid of is this times 100. So we're going to divide our 80% by 100, and we're going to get 0.8. So basically all you do when you do this is convert your percentage back to a decimal, and that gets rid of the 100. Okay? Now I've got to get the AMA on the other side of the equal sign. Well, this is divide. So in order for me to swap the 0.8 over here I have to do the opposite of divide, which is going to be multiply. But if you also look at your formula, you're going to find that if we can just multiply it anyway. So, in order to figure that one out now, we will simply move AMA over to the left is equal to 0.8, not divided by, but times 5. And that gives us 4. So that is how we figure out our AMA. Okay, it's a lot of swapping around, but we multiply, divide changes to multiply. Okay? That's what that page is all about.